Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're trying to pull up your Circle deals, receipts, or pickup orders, and the Target app is acting like you're logged out, this is the quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Target account. This video is going to be short and sweet and simple, and there's not a lot of steps. So first is you're going to open the Target app, and then at the bottom, you're going to tap My Target. And then you're going to tap sign in or create an account. And then you're going to follow the prompts of entering your email or phone number and then your password and tap sign in. If you don't remember your password, tap forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. It'll send you a link or a code so you can get back in. And that's honestly the best and easiest that I know of to fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.